Here we're in the 40s. I know it really doesn't feel like it out there. The wind is making it feel a little colder, but pushing those air temperatures up. We do have west to southwest wind across much of this area. Wherever you see this green here, that's really where the wind is warming us up. Everywhere else is in the 20s and 30s under mostly clear skies. Here's a look at that wind, and 15 miles an hour out of the southwest in Great Falls, 20 miles an hour out of the west in Cut Bank. It'll stay a bit breezy in this portion of the state today, as we will see gusts of 20 to 30 miles an hour, even isolated gusts of 40 miles an hour up along the Rocky Mountain front. Nothing really to look at on the radar here over the next 2 days. It's going to be pleasant weather. A little bit of some upper level cirrus clouds moving in later on this afternoon. We'll start the day off partly to mostly cloudy tomorrow, with a little bit of Chinook arch cloud forming and sticking around through most of the morning and even into the early afternoon. We're mostly cloudy by Saturday. Here's the hints of the next cold front that's coming through, with some rain into the Idaho Panhandle and eastern Washington by Friday night. So in terms of our precipitation to come over the weekend, the Rocky Mountain front down to the mountains near Helena, the Elkhorns, the Boulders, the Big Belts, not really looking at too much snow for those of you wanting to get out and enjoy the start to general hunting season here. Maybe an inch or two into the higher terrain around town. Again, not really looking at too much. In terms of the valleys and the plains, not really looking at a whole lot of rain either, and that's due to the downslope wind that will stay strong through the weekend. That stabilizes the atmosphere when that front comes over, and we're not really looking at too much in terms of raindrops and snowflakes around for a lot of our populated areas here. So at least for highs today, we're going to be dry, we're going to be warmer, 60s, 66 down there in Roundup, 66 in Great Falls, 64 in Helena, a bit cooler down there in Butte at 57, but overall a pretty nice day for the state. And it will be nice tomorrow as well, partly cloudy skies. It will be the warmest day for a lot of locations tomorrow, with the wind pushing us up into the mid 60s here in Helena. We'll be in the 70s in Great Falls before temperatures start to fall over the weekend, and we're in the 40s by the beginning of next week, slowly warming back up into the 50s by Wednesday.